nwa baby virgin. Iya for gebugi buon negibuon nagi. You dey hear me? Thunder ga body gishi. All this type of RNG. Oh, you want to claim that it's in your church that they planned the Imo to bring security in Orsu? Like trailer. Please, I'm hearing an information. There is a voice note I listen to now, and it seems some people want to take glory for what they didn't do. You know, this security issue that we are trying to trash out the problem in Orsu Imo, and you people know how far we've gone with Orsu, especially I'm sure when Dave Philip sees this video, he's going to be very agitated because their pastor, Ekberima pastor, Arenjo Nuoshi in Lagos. Ekberima Akpamu, thunder will fire you. Nwa baby virgin. Iya for gebugi buon negibuon nagi. You dey hear me? Thunder ga body gishi. All this type of RNG. Oh, you want to claim that it's in your church that they planned the Imo to bring security in Orsu? Like trailer. Criminal. You said what? Yeah, what? Our sweat. People are sending money, spending money, millions of naira to bring security in Orsu Imo. You that is calling for the release of the Ekberima Kanu, the person who single-handedly led to the destruction of Orsu Imo, is now trying to take glory because you are seeing that Orsu is coming back to life. Now you want to take you people come and try it. Let's see. This one no be say George say make you know talk like Tinishi and Kaka thunder body yegishi. You what? You did what? Unuoshi criminal ojo. You people want to make it as if that Imo also started between me and them Philip first. Before Imo initiative ever came into existence, we are the first people that led it. I'm sure our letter is still there at the NSA. This one no be DSS, no be police. NSA. I still have my own copy. I posted it on this page. Anyone can go and confirm what I'm saying. Oh, you want to take glory for the restoration of peace in Orsu Imo? How? This our own Orsu. How? Show us where you did anything to bring peace in Orsu Imo. That's what we want to see. I want to see a single place, even in any of your messages, any of your US preachings. Like, how did you bring peace to Orsu Imo? How was Orsu Imo? You see, all my friends, please unfollow Cash TV immediately now. Unfollow Cash also. That guy, I don't know what they must have given him. I don't know what they are doing, and they want to use the social media now to peddle the propaganda that it is in their useless church in Lagos. Is it your water or your vegetable oil that you call anointing oil that you used to bring sanity in also? Which one did you do? Oh, that it is in the place that they brought that they did the meeting to bring Tonda Bobukwegi there. Iya for Bukwegi. It's like so other people will be sweating, spending money, putting their lives on the line, taking risks, and a criminal pastor in as evangelist Bukwegi there. Evangelist, Nwa baby virgin, come and claim this one. Let's see. Come and claim. If I not carry your banner, go call on a DIG. Now him we dey wait for. I repeat, call on a DIG. Katonda bobunu anime chunu nine. Shebina match. All of us go see in court now. All of us go see for court. How? Where? Do you people know how Imo was formed? Somebody help me tag the Philip here first. Una again. Let me even call the Philip on the phone. Chineke buku unu. You did what? Eh? You anointing or what? That saved Orsu Imo or the Orsu LGA. Where? How much did you contribute in the security of Orsu? How much do you contribute in the security of Orsu? Ndoshi, shameless people. Now we are done for this country. You think it's going to be business as usual? But I'm calling the Philip now. I'm calling the Philip. Oh, so they've now recruited some people. Hello, Dave. Then I don't know men.
I'm all to call them as a court.
No,
I didn't support with case.
Oh, post to go post on social media.
I'm seeing it here.
It's over 4 hours.
Over 4 hours. Over 4 hours. Nezienunun. 6 hours ago. Can you imagine? My people.
I don't know what's come of oh, that space of time. Oh my man, is Oshi.
Yes.
Yes. Space of time. It went so. Topic.
Most initiative. Yes.
Yes. When people to the letter. Oh, that with this job time. I know here. Oh yeah, we made this thing. They say also Ebuka.
One day, I say more the most initiative woman again abubu so use 2023.
20 years.
2023. I still have the letter. 2023. I be 2022 self. Then I was shocked when I saw so yes. Who give them the name? Where did they see it? They didn't know that it's people that went to the NSA with that. I'm telling you, also money and abu na queen anu kon ekuya. Iya we that 2022 or 2023. The Philip no kele mmecha video gị na ebe ekwu ofuma.
Nwanne mmadụ. Daalụ. Ana m na ka ekwubo mgbe mbụ.
Ekwubere okwu anọ m live na Facebook akakune. Oh, my people, are you people here? This is Dave. I don't want to show his face. This is Dave Philip on the line. And these ones are saying what? Tonda bobuchaku unu niile di ndị oshi. Umu ekperima. Must everything be arranged? Eme arrange miracle. Emekwa arrange security. Ndị oshi. Criminals. Oh, security na agunu. And you are there praising the Ekperiman Nnamdi Kanu, the person that brought this insecurity? Are you kidding me? My people, anybody dealing with cash also is doing it at his own peril. At your own risk. What? He did what? That they plan what you know. So where is your communique? What communique did you people reach that day? Let's see how many people attended it. Then we will bring our own. We will bring our own. Everything dated. Stamped by the NSA, the Office of the National Security Advisor. The Office of the National Security Advisor. Also, people do not listen to them. Church Yoshi. Peace has returned to us. He wants to do crusade now. So we will not let that happen. We will not let it happen. We will not let it happen. Who sweat? Thunder body chakunu ni ishi. Ndoshi. Also sons and daughters, say no to Ekperima. Say no to RNG. We are the ones that did it. No one else. Ndoshi. Criminals, dead, I will call you back, eh? I will call you back. Ndoshi. My brother, we did this thing under President Buhari. We went to the NSA. We brought the name first.
The people are getting even hand on the ESM people.
The ESM people are in Oboro. Oboro right now, they are in Oboro. Have they removed the ESN in Oboro and they want to take credit for our job in Orsu? Really? Are you kidding me? Who are you fooling? Tonda wabuogi die, Onyuoshi. Nwa baby virgin. Tonda wabuogi die. Ekperimojo kewu. Ezubo Onyuoshi. Come, let's continue our lawsuit. This will go into that lawsuit. You go see him. Ekperima. And then they will say, oh, did he say it is a platform? My people, I'm coming back to do a real video on this thing. Ekperima.